Step 1. Create a collection. Collections are folders for your measurements. Create a collection or use a pre-existing one. Step 2. Connect to a machine and select Measurement Interface. Step 3. Measure a sample and add it to your collection. For PlasTell, measure your sample. The result of your measurement will appear on your device screen and your spectrometer screen. Select your desired collection and enter any other relevant information about the sample, such as the material or description. Press Save. This uploads the measurement into our cloud where it is securely stored. Now you can measure further samples. For FabriTell, measure your sample. The result of your measurement will appear on your device screen and your spectrometer screen. To save your measurement, pick the collection to which your data will be saved. For fabrics, you can enter a text description about your sample in the description box. You can also enter the composition of your sample, for example, the composition found on clothes labels, as percentages. Note that the app will not let you save unless your total percentages entered add up to 100%. You can provide extra details about your garment by selecting Add Properties. When you select Add Properties, you will be directed to a new page where you can select the age group associated with your scanned item of clothing. As an example, if we have a women's blue shirt, select the Adults greater than 14 icon. Select the Tops icon. Select the Shirts and Blouses icon. Select the color which is closest to your garment color, for this example, blue. Check if there are any disruptors present. These would be non-fabric items present on your garment such as buttons or zippers. Once you input all of these descriptors, press Exit, which will take you back to the screen showing your measurement spectrum and any other data you have inputted. A photo of your sample can be taken and stored with your measurement and information added by pressing the photo icon. You can also add the weight of your sample. To save your measurement with all the descriptors, select Save. Note that you can save measurements without entering any or all of these descriptors as long as you select a collection. For the next step in saving your measurements, please watch our guide on using the saving menu in the Matoha app.